everybody, thank you for joining me and welcome to this video, which is about Mars transit in Taurus. Mars transits through a birth sign for about 1.5 months. However, this transit lasts for about 6 months due to its retrograde. It started its transit on the 10th of August, which continues until the 16th of October 2022. Then, due to its retrograde, it is going to be in Taurus on the 13th of November 2022, and it will continue its transit in Taurus until the 13th of March 2023. What does Mars in Taurus mean? Taurus is determined, sensual, patient, fertile, productive, possessive, practical, and it represents our body, the way we nourish our body, so nourishment, values, needs, and comfort. So the way you experience these issues in your life depends on the settlement of Taurus in your natal chart. When Mars is in Taurus, he isn't feeling comfortable because Mars is the natural leader of the first house, or Aries. Mars likes to take the initiative. And Mars is also the natural leader of the 8th house, or Scorpio. So Mars likes transforming things in our lives. But Taurus tells Mars to slow down, to be cautious and patient. This is why Mars isn't feeling comfortable when it transits in Taurus. During its transit in Taurus, it aspects Scorpio, which means an inevitable transformation is on the way in our life. And it also aspects Sagittarius. So we may expand our philosophies, or we may do something in relation to religion, or we may publish a book, an article, we may do something regarding the social media, or we may travel abroad. However, avoid doing these when Mars is in retrograde, which is between the 30th of October 2022 and the 13th of January 2023. Now, what does Mars in Taurus mean? Your need for security will increase. So you may need to balance your finances or start to look for an alternative way to increase your income. You may do something regarding your house. You may buy a house, sell your house, or move out of your house, or property. You may do something about your car. The same, you may buy a car, sell your car, or you may deal with something regarding your car or another technical issue. This is a good time to be patient and to deal with challenging issues in your life. When you communicate, you will be stubborn and defensive, but you will think twice before you say something. And you would like to protect what you possess during this transit. Until the 31st of August, it may not be so easy to take an action and do something, as Mars aspects Venus and Venus is in Cancer. But as of the 31st of August, it may be easier until Mars is in retrograde, so which is until the 30th of October 2022. What does Mars in Taurus mean in the world? Now, here, international or worldwide issues can be. International monetary system may change. We may talk more about food, agriculture, and farming. Borders and boundaries between countries may be an increasing issue. International monetary system may change. Eating habits worldwide may change, and religious conflicts around the world may also be on the rise. We may need to deal with another health issue, especially when Mars is in retrograde. So I suggest that you get a CBS, which is a complete blood count test to make sure that your body is working perfectly well. As Mars rules blood cells, please make sure that you have enough iron or you don't suffer from iron deficiency. And in medical astrology, Taurus rules 5 senses of perception as well as the neck, throat and ears. So please be careful with these issues, especially when Mars is in retrograde. I repeat, between the 30th of October 2022 and the 13th of January 2023. Mars also rules muscles, so avoid doing muscle strengthening activities, especially when it is in retrograde. Now, in Vedic astrology, Taurus comprises of 3 nakshatras: Krittika, Rohini and Mrigashira. This means Taurus will show different characteristics depending on these nakshatras, so the energy will change. Between the 10th and the 27th of August, Mars transits through Krittika. So we may get angry easily during this period. Actually, this is something you have already been experiencing. You feel angry, especially when you are confronted or limited in your life. Between the 27th of August and the 24th of September, Mars transits through Rohini. You have to be careful with your body. You can do something for your body. For example, you can start a new diet, or you should avoid consuming sugar and carbs. You can also start a physical exercise program. Now, this period is good to feel motivated to achieve your goals. This is a period to work hard, but don't expect results during this transit. And beware jealousy and don't take actions depending on your emotions. Between the 24th of September and the 16th of October, Mars transits through Mrigashira. You will feel very strong in terms of mental topics. So Mars will work here perfectly well, very efficiently. So this is an auspicious period to do some research, to search for information, to get some answers to your questions, because you will feel mentally strong during this period. Between the 16th of October and the 13th of November, Mars transits through Gemini. Experience this period very well, because between the 13th of March and the 10th of May 2023, you will continue dealing with these issues. And one more piece of information here is, now between the 27th of August and the 24th of September, Mars transits through Rohini. Then it will come back here between the 4th of December and the 25th of February. So you may get results during its second transit in Rohini. And between the 24th of September and the 16th of October, Mars transits through Mrigashira. Observe what you deal with during this time, because between the 25th of February and the 13th of March 2023, Mars transits again through Mrigashira. So you may get the results of what you did in the first Mars transit in Mrigashira. I hope this video has been useful and you will be able to benefit from Mars transit in Taurus in the best way that you can. Hope to see you soon.